Hi minasan, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Abby Corinne, your Philly neighborhood nerd, and we are back with Chainsaw Man. This anime is just fantastic. Again, I've been reading along with the manga, and it was I can't say it was pleasant to read about the vomit scene, but you know what? I did it, and I was less gaggy that time at least. But yeah, so we have left off with Denji and Himeno in at her place, potentially getting down. I'm not sure. I'm trying to remember what the age of consent is in Japan. I'm pretty sure they raised it, but like, I don't know what it is. So, we'll see. But yeah, I feel like that was just a good end to that arc with the Infinity Devil, and now we're going to be moving on, hopefully closer to the Gun Devil. This is called Gunfire, so it makes sense that perhaps we're going to get more interactions with this devil, or something, at least clues towards where to find them. So but yeah, we're gonna jump in and find out. If you'd like to check out the full reaction to this episode, you can find it on my Patreon, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe and follow me on my social media. Let's do it. Is this her bringing him in? Is this like, yeah. She's strong. Good for her for carrying him drunk, no less. Like, that's impressive. Just end the night there. Just sleep. I love this art. Oh my gosh, just right on top of him. How did she manage this? He's dead. But how did she manage this? I'm so impressed. And she's so nice. She's like taking off his shoes. Actually, I don't want nobody's shoes in my bed, so I get that. I like the day-to-day stuff that they show in this anime. Like, the same thing happened with Aki, too. Where it's just like, just mundane kind of thing. But this is what you do when you're drunk. You hum to yourself. You get home and you manage. Gosh. This art, y'all. This is crazy. It's trippy. This is so trippy. POV. POV. Shit. I am impressed. That's cute. Move on. It's cute. He's not. He's like, help me. Does he need an adult? Do we need assistance for him? She's really beautiful, though, I will say. They draw, like, the ladies in here. But, I mean, well, it's just the art itself, because also, like, they've drawn Denji really, really beautiful. Like, his, like, luscious lips. I'm just, like, the art in here is just insane. Like, the coloring. It's all good. Do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Yeah, let's have sex. That's what she means. Is it? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that would be sad, because, like, I don't think that's what he... Yes. I mean, I guess, whatever. I don't know what to think here. Yeah, I keep forgetting Pochita's tail is there. Let me just hold my tea here. Yeah, there you go. Gosh. Oh. I mean, it is a bum experience for sure. Oh, that's the... Oh. Technically, they've kissed by Denji's terms. I know you disappointed this poor pup. I mean, that's fair. That's valid. All right. Well, I'm glad that they did not go through with it. I'm glad they both slept. Ohio. Yes, please. Hi. Oh, this is a lovely view. Everyone has great views. Like, I don't know, just like to live in these like kind of apartments, but like the view's cool. Okay, so it must be higher than 16. That's good. At least. He gets it. He always gets it. Yes, he does. Super. Why all of a sudden? She's got reasons. Okay. Hey, do what you gotta do. It's fake. I love it. I love how Denji talks. Yeah. Yeah, bring power. You bring power. Absolutely. See, Himeno is cool. She's just like, she's not like, don't bring that nasty fiend or anything. She's cool in my book. She's always been aight. More intimidating than her because she seems really intimidating. Okay. Why did those people duck? What's happening? Why did those people duck? Was I trippy? What the fuck? This is weird. Wait a what the hell? Oh my god, what the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? They can't. So Denji's dreams just went down the toilet. What was that all about? Everyone's pulling a piece out? This is the gun devil. Guns ablazing. Welcome to America. This is what America is. Like all the time. The old lady pulling out her Glock. Pulling out bang bang motherfuckers. Oh my god. Everyone's being assassinated. These are the only guys. Everyone's being assassinated. What the fuck? Ramen's good. Who are you? Yeah, who are you to like hate on? Why are you here? Is he also got a gun? Okay. He was Yakuza, but... Well, we saw the last Yakuza people in this world. Only a handful. So you just had a silver spoon in your mouth. Oh, he's here for revenge. The gun devil's out there. Move! Power! So funny. Calling him Top Knot. Yum yum motherfucker. Oh my god, what the hell was that all about? Is Denji okay? No, he's fine. He's fine. He's fine. Is she fine? Something outrageous in your mouth. Not human nor devil. Is it what? 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 Whoa! 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 This is Slice and Dice guy. Look at this. Oh shit! A nail? What? What is there? We need a moment to breathe. People are dead. And 3? What was that Himeno's ghost? Was that... What on earth? 2? We're counting down? Who's counting down? What the fuck is that? What is forming? What on earth is this? What on earth is this? Is Eren entered the chat room? What is holding him? That's not the ghost hand. What is this bone ordeal? Was that death? What had him? Oh my gosh, I'm like crying. So he's with the gun double. Who are you? Because we saw that person in the intro. What? Does she bring people back? Better. He can't die? He is like Denji. Oh, shit. There's blood drill. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, he is not. What is going on this episode? What the fuck is happening? He's dead. Himeno's about to die. Denji's knocked out. Makima's dead. Kobeni and Arai are dead. Or potentially dead. Can we have a moment? Oh god. He's just in a different league. Oh, this is the ghost. The girl is dreadful? The one that's with the guy? Thing I've got? What? What is this? Whoa! Whoa! What? Oh, so look at this thing! Oh my god, look at this thing. So he's, yeah. So is what's gonna happen to Himeno? Is she losing everything? Because she said give you everything. Look at this. This is just crazy. This thing is so creepy. She lost her other hand. She's... What? Her legs? No, she's got her legs. Oh, I don't know what's happening. Don't die. A giant... What is happening? What? It's Himeno. Where's he? Where's Himeno? It's... Oh my god, and she's gone. Whoosh. That was bananas. I am just so like just caught off guard right now with what has transpired this episode. Like, first of all, what happened with Makima and her partner going to Kyoto, so it's just like they're dead. So it's just like how is just the whole public safety division even gonna work with them being dead? Like, who's gonna be coming in? I don't know. That's crazy. So they're gone, and then Arai and Kobeni are gone. Well, I mean, I think it was off camera, but I'm assuming they also got hit because it's like they didn't know people were gonna pull up with pieces. That old lady with her Glock, just like bang bang motherfuckers. Oh my god. And then this whole thing. So first of all, I was trying to say it the whole time, but I was just like, what the fuck is happening? So the grandson of that mafia guy that betrayed Denji is back for revenge and working with the gun devil. Yeah, it seems like potentially working with the gun devil. So it's just like, there's that. So, and he can't die. I don't think Denji is dead. I wonder if he got, like, knocked out, because, like, he was fucking cut up, hacked to pieces, and came back. And yeah, he'll recover. So hopefully next episode he'll be ready to go and just be, like, pissed off. But, like, but this new devil, is he, like, sword devil, knife devil? Like, what's his title? Who's the chick with him? Because she was able to summon some creepy ass. There was a lot that happened, because when Aki first got this devil, I'm gonna call him, I want to know. Hold on. Does he have a name? Let me look in just what's just transpired. I'm not going to try and jump ahead or anything. I want to know who was counting down, because there was this weird thing that happened where the lips are going 3, 2, 1, 0, and then this devil gets grabbed and held by this, like, bone creature thing. So it makes me think of, like, the Grim Reaper or something, because he was dying and then he's dead. Okay, so first of all, Aki used that sword. Is this the sword that Himeno told him not to use, like when they were facing the Infinity Devil? Or is this his just normal sword? Oh yeah, okay, so Ghost. Guys, I have to just reread this. This Ghost devil is the creepiest motherfucking thing. Look at this. Look at this thing. Can you see this thing? This is so interesting. This manga, this anime is so interesting, and then just summons this crazy ass worm devil of doom. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. It's just bananas to me that this is happening. So Himeno's gone. That's terrible. I really liked her, and I didn't realize they were setting her up here with, like, her, confessing about Aki and becoming friends with Denji and all this, like, because it was very heavy. The episode before and this one was very heavy towards her. So, damn. You don't appreciate it till it's gone. She's not here anymore. So I'm a little bit bummed about that. But it was a great scene, great plot twist, like, to have again this grandson come through and, like, want revenge for his good old grandpa who gave him, like, a silver spoon. This kid is terrible, honestly. Like, what a terrible human or thing. It's not a human anymore. But God, I don't know. What did y'all think? It's just so crazy to even think about this. But, say something nice for Himeno. Take a drink for her and just be like, cheers, bitch. Rest in nirvana. I don't know. Have a beer or something. But that's going to be it, because I have to, like, process this and, like, take a walk and just breathe. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next reaction. Bye. Freaking crazy. What the hell just happened?